Hello from a rather rainy Kyoto. The weather's been terrible all day. It's actually raining less now than it was earlier. Now, when I rented this place, my Airbnb for Kyoto, I thought I was just renting like maybe a flat somewhere in a building. I wasn't really sure what I was renting. I just really looked at the inside. But it turns out I rented a house, so I've got my own Japanese gaff for the night. Here we are. On a quaint little Japanese street. The bullet train runs up there and the normal trains. Actually, I think it's just bullet trains up there. So maybe that's why this place wasn't too expensive, because there's trains. Anyway, shall we go inside? Right, I haven't even looked around. I've just put my bags on the floor there. Let's take my shoes off because you're not meant to wear shoes in the house in Japan. Oh, right. So I quite like the fact there's some sort of traditional looking like art on the wall. That's pretty cool. Air conditioning, we'll need that. It's actually quite cold in here compared to outside, and it does smell a little earthy, but apparently because it's a traditional home, it did say that in the listing or something. The walls are made of soil or something, I don't know. It did say something like that, like part of it is very old and that's why you'll get drafts, so expect drafts. That's chill. Hey, pardon the pun. So we've got, I guess, a massage chair, some bedding stuff, a sofa. What a very big television, actually. It's massive for the size of the sofa. Little kitchen, washing machine, microwave oven, a little hob. I'm not sure what's through here, actually. Let's have a look. Toilet, maybe? Oh, yes. Toilet with all the features. Very good. Gotta watch my head, you see, guys. I'm a bit too tall for this old house. What's in here? Bathroom, perhaps? Oh, wow. So it's actually like kind of outside. I've got a little corrugated plastic roof separating this little outhouse. But you know what? It's actually kind of nice. There you are in the corner. Big shower head here. It's like a wet room. I found that so far in Japan, every bathroom's basically a wet room too. So you'll have a bath, but the whole thing, the shower is usually, yeah, like you have to kind of shoot the water over to the shower. Shoot the water, sorry, over from the shower to the bathtub, and that's like a set-in one. There's also little stools and stuff. Right. Let's go upstairs. So we've got tatami mats as well on the floor, very traditional. These stairs, are they slippy? Not too bad. Bit of a death trap. Oh, that one flexes quite a lot. Don't really trust them with my weight. I'm a little bit heavier than your average Japanese man. I'm closer to the weight of a sumo wrestler. Right, got a couple of beds up here. They look decent. Are they soft? Only one way to find out. So far, beds have been pretty hard. Oh, that's great. Soft. What's this one like? The same. Fantastic. All right. Well, that's good. What's out here? Rooftop use prohibited in rainy weather. The stairs are very slippy during and after rain. Therefore, please refrain from using the rooftop. I'll just have a look, mate. I'll just have a look. I don't want to actually go up. All right, I understand. Well, I haven't got shoes either, so I'd have to use them. But if it's prohibited, we won't right now. Maybe later if the rain dies off, I'll pop up. But I'm not too bothered. I don't know what that does. No idea. Turn the lights on upstairs. Oh, now we have light. Yeah, not bad, right? Pretty chill. Can't remember how much it cost me for the night. Should we have a look? It cost me 100 Great British pounds for the night. But I mean, it's pretty big space. You could host quite a few people here actually. So it's just me being greedy, having this all to myself. Definitely don't want to get drunk here though. I mean, coming up them's one thing, but going down, by jingo, they're steep. It's a death trap. Oh well. Goodbye.